Hello, and welcome to the $25 Triple Threat. It's your man KR with some more great content. This thing is on fire. Right now, my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Facebook page is blowing up because of this particular program and system right here. This thing is amazing. Imagine being able to take $25 one time out of your pocket and scale that up to $525 over and over and over again. Imagine just working with three people. You're going to be able to achieve some financial freedom here, guys. This thing is amazing. So right now I'm going to take you in, guys. I really want to get you, in and out on this because you need to be out there making this money immediately starting right now. Now, like I said, man, this thing is getting ready to trend because everybody's trying to make some extra money. And what better way to do it with something that's inexpensive, that's fast moving, and is helping you to get paid instantly, right, to your Cash App or your Bitcoin account. Now, let's get into this so I can get you in and out. First of all, it's time to get paid those unlimited $525 payments. It's time to get those payments coming in, guys. The $25 Triple Threat is a two-phase system that is helping people to make some serious money. Let me explain. Phase number one sets up your system, right? Phase number two bumps that money in there. It pumps that money in, guys. So once you run through this two-phase system, you're making money. You're making money on phase one, but you make even more money on phase two because you already own all of the levels of this system. Now, how does it work, man? We have memberships over here. We have the silver membership, which is that first level, which is $25. We have the gold membership, which is $50. That's level two. Then we have that premium platinum membership, which is $100. You're going to scale this thing up, man, and make some crazy money off of it working with three people at a time, right? That's what we want to do, but you can bring more. Now, I'm going to use three for illustration purposes only, but you can most definitely get more. Now, the Triple Threat two-phase compensation plan is going to show you how to receive unlimited Cash App and Bitcoin payments. Let's dive right into this compensation plan without wasting any time. Moving from the left to the right, we have the levels, the cost of those levels, the team. Remember, we said we're looking at three, and if you notice here, it says the same three. So you're going to be working with the same three people to accomplish phase number one. Income. This shows you the income based upon those levels. This shows you the level upgrades to 50, the 100, right? And right here, you're going to see where it says none, because once you have all three levels, you have nothing else to upgrade into. That's amazing, right? Yeah. And this shows your profit to 25, to 50, and 300. This is only in phase number one where you will make 375. Phase number two earns you more because you're not upgrading. Everything over here is going to say zero because you have no upgrades to do. Let's move from the left to the right to phase number one so I could jump into phase number two and show you the big money. All right, phase number one. Let's assume that you've already paid your $25. You're in here. There's no admin fee, nothing. You send $25 to the person that brought you in. Now, you're in, you're going to share your link with three people. Get three people at 25, guys. Now, I'm going to say this. This is not for people that's trying to make up excuses and that's not trying to talk to people and not trying to make some serious money. We're looking for people that's going to grab those three people at $25, share this video with them. The video is all you need. Share this video so that I can explain to them the same way I'm explaining to you how simple and easy it is to scale your way up to $525. So we want people that's going to go after this, not people that's just going to sit and look. So let's assume that you're in. You share this with three people. When you share with three people, each one of them are going to give you $25 each to take possession of the system. When they do that, you're going to earn $75. You're from the $75, you're going to scale up to the gold level for 50 and bank 25. Now you have your money back. You have your money back. You're set. You have your money back. Now you over here for free. Now we're about to show you free money, guys, because you have your money back. Now, when your team members duplicate your efforts, because duplication is the key, when they upgrade and scale their way to the goal, that's at $50 per person, that multiplication will give you $150. Now you have $150. From the $150, upgrade and take possession of your final level, which is the platinum level. When you get that platinum level at 100, that's going to leave you $50 more dollars in spillover cash. How about that, guys? We're looking at spillover cash. We don't need spillover people. We want that spillover money, right? So you got $50 left. Now here comes your team members upgrading for 100, just like you just did. When those three members upgrade for 100, that's a total of $300. But look, from the $300, nothing comes out because now you own all the levels. The 300 moves over into your positive, your green, your bank account. That's yours, your Bitcoin, however you accepted it. for a total of $375. So phase number one banked you $375 from a $25 investment. Did you see that? Let's run through that one more time. At the silver level, share it with 3 people at $25 each for a total of $75. Upgrade for $50, keep $25. When your team members duplicate your efforts, going into the gold level at $50, coming directly to you, time those great 3 people you brought in, that's $150. From the $150, upgrade into the $100 level, right? Leaving $50. Man, that's great. Now, when they upgrade into the 100, just like you did, because they want to make more money too, so why not? When they upgrade into the 100, time those great 3 people, that multiplication will give you $300. Nothing left to upgrade into. That's $300 in the bank for you, for a total of $375 from your $25 investment. But let's jump down into phase 2, guys. This is where it gets exciting. Let's jump directly into phase 2. Phase 2, moving from the left to the right, things are the same, except now you'll notice right here where it says 0 on upgrades, because remember, you already own all of the levels. From phase 2 on, every 3 people you bring in, you're looking at $525. And do you have payment proof, which is going to entice them to come in? Absolutely. Now, let's move from the left to the right in phase number 2. On the silver, right, you're going to have your 3 people come in, take possession of that silver level just like you did and your previous 3 people did. That's $25 coming to you once again. Time those great 3 people, that's $75 in your pocket. Nothing comes out of that 75. It moves over into your green, into your bank account where it stays. Now, when they upgrade, right, because remember, you have no upgrades. When they upgrade to you for $50 to take possession of the gold, same 3 people, that's $150, guys. $150. Nothing comes out of that 150. 150 moves over into your positive of your bank account. Now, when they upgrade into the premium platinum, just like you did at $100 each, that's $300 coming directly to you, nothing coming out. $300 in your green, for a total of $525 in phase 2. $525 will come again in phase 3. Phase 4. Every time you bring in 3 and 3 scale up, guys, at this point, since you already own everything from phase number 1, nothing else for you to upgrade into. $525 coming over and over and over again. Some of you guys are going to look at this. You're going to run out there and go grab you 5 to 10 people real quick. That's really not a problem, right? Because of the simple fact, look at how much money you guys are going to be making from doing absolutely nothing but helping other people to make money. That's amazing, isn't it? Of course it is, guys. Let me run through that again for phase number 2 for those that was probably doing something and missed it. At phase number 2, you're bringing in a fresh set of 3 people, because once they own the system, they do not have to pay you again. So you're going to bring in a fresh 3 every time. When you bring in the 3, you're going to earn $25 each for a total of $75. Nothing comes out of that $75 because you own all 3 levels. $75 goes into your positive. When they upgrade and go into the 50, just like you did, that is going to be time 3 people. That multiplication once again is 150. From the 150, look, nothing comes out because you own all 3 levels already from phase number 1. When they do this, that's going to move directly into your green, another 150. When they upgrade into the final level, $100, time those great 3 people that you brought in, that's a total of $300, nothing coming out, moving directly into your green, for a total of $525. Guys, all of this is being done from scaling up from a $25 investment and only working with a few people at a time. It's important to try to work with just a few people at a time to make sure everybody is grabbing their 3 instead of branching out going to get 100 people, unless you're going to be stacking them up under each other. If you're doing that, that works great too. But make sure you're working with your people, helping them to get to where they need to go. Because remember, 3 people at $25 is not a lot of money to make $525. Most people will invest that and jump over and start making money. So here's the question now. Would you invest $25 one time to pocket $550 payments with every 3 people that you refer? Of course you would, guys. That's just common sense. What I've showed you right now is something that can't too many people walk past this unless you just don't want any money, guys, because $525 payments over and over, only grabbing 3 people, helping them, man, that is super duper exciting. So all you have to do right now is get in the game. Pay the $25 who sent you this. Take possession of this 10-minute video and start making money today. So this is your man KR with more great content, and I'll see you on the inside of the $25 Triple Threat.